I'm Nate. I started Aurora Precision about 12 years ago, and we've been in business and doing telescope parts for about 8 years. This is our product we call the cage truss clamps, and I think it's the product that is hardest to understand and yet most helpful to the amateur astronomer who's building a telescope. It has these two locating pins that self-align and fall into their holes and provide you a very rigid connection. These tube inserts come with the product to press down into your tubes. Typical wall thickness is 0.49. The tubes can float and bend out at whatever angle you want. We have the bracket here. This mounts to the ring on your upper assembly of your telescope. It stays with that, with your cage ring, and then this, when the tubes are mounted to this, your tubes are locked in pairs, and then you put your tubes into your lower telescope assembly in pairs, then your cage comes in and registers to this part. We make this bracket to mount to the cage ring, press dowel pins into it, assemble the screw and the knob. The knob is captured, it never leaves this assembly. So you don't have to worry about dropping this in the middle of the night and hitting your mirror. It can't be removed. This assembly has two parts to it, what we call the yoke. It has these unique chamfered and tapered holes that engage with the dowel pins. And then these we call tube ends. These are determined by whatever tube size you have, and you can just check the website for the available sizes. And besides that, we have a few Delrin washers. They're black Delrin washers at every wear point. So when these parts move, they're rigid and well supported with a plastic bearing. We try to build products that are difficult for the average home builder to make. Strive to sell products to telescope makers to make a better scope.